So in this video, we're going to have a look at our UCT, Universal Cutting Tool, that comes as standard with our JWEI JCut Cutters. So this tool is going to be used for pretty much all of your roll materials, so vinyl, poster paper, PVC banners, pull-up, pop-up, all of those sort of things. It's got a maximum depth of about 8mm, but we'd probably say about 5mm Fomex being sort of your limitation. We've got a few different blade types available for it, but this is a single-sided blade, so you can only put single-sided blades in this. And it's a fairly simple tool to set up and use. Now, to change the blade, all I'm going to do is use my Allen key. Just going to loosen off the 2 grub screws that you'll see at the top of the tool here. Then I'm carefully going to grab the blade and pull the blade out. There you go, you can see we've got a J318 blade in there at the moment. And then you'll also see that we have this sort of blade holder. I'll just pull that up there. Now this is a set width on this one. You do actually get a secondary one as well with the tool, which has got a wider width in there, which is made for sort of slightly thicker blades. I'm going to drop that back in place. Now the blades that we have available, we've got a few different blades. These are 2 of them. So we've got a J318, as we've just seen, and a J311. Now the J311 is just a slightly bit longer. Just like that. So it's got a sharper angle to it. It's better for sort of up to 5mm Fomex, but also for cutting like higher quality materials. We also have a J603 available as well, which is another commonly used one, which is a little bit more like this one with that sort of angle there, like that. Now I'm going to drop the blade back in again. So all I've got to do is just sort of slot it in, push it down, get it all the way down to the bottom like that. Now we've got to make sure that the flat side is over this side. So basically it's the point to the center of the tool like that. Then I'm going to tighten that back up again. And that's it. We don't need to over tighten these. We don't want to round off the grub screws. But there you go. So this tool here goes into the K position, and we need to make sure on JWCam that we are obviously telling it that we have a knife in the K position. And then all I'm going to do is going to pull down the collar, straighten the tool up, and then push it down into place. And then I'm going to turn it until it clicks into place, and then lift the collar. Then I need to do my tool height on that, and then it's ready to cut. So that's our UCT tool for our JWEI JCut Cutter.